I just want to show y'all what we got going on here on the town car. Done made up a big 3 kit here I got on the car. I got it the cable running back here to the trunk. Got another battery back here in the back, hooked up and everything. That's what we got going on. We got the power cord right there coming in back here to our battery. Got the hot running over here to the amp. Got the MD5001 amp in here. Now this is a prefab box here we got in this thing. It just takes up the whole trunk pretty much in this car. Fits in here real tight. We got the Scar EVL 15s in here. These things hit really hard. I've done some interior work on this box. That's why I got the amp on the side. I mean, it probably shouldn't be on there, but I've done some interior work on the inside of the box and really stiffened it up, so it don't really do too bad. But that's what we got going on back here. Got the DS18s in here. That's my little blow through right there I got in the top going on. Took the factory sub out. These DS18s right here are really loud in this car. Got the DS18s in here. Also installed these here, but got our little voltmeter cigarette lighter there. It's our Ampri guy powering these DS18s in the back. Them things are really loud on this amp right here. Works really good. Very loud. But just wanted to kind of show y'all what I had going on in here. You got the 5001 powering the Scar EVL 15s here in the box. I'm gonna leave a link to the box, the amp, the subs, all this stuff here on Amazon if y'all want to have a look at it. But this box fits really nice in this town car. Works really good. Really happy with the way it performs. I'll do a video sometime for y'all. I appreciate it.